Over 6,000 residents across Kingston and St. Andrew remain in the dark after last week's hurricane. Mayor Andrew Swaby says while restoring power within the municipality is a top priority, the KSAMC's Disaster Relief Unit has launched a massive coordinated aid drive to assist residents in 6 parishes hit hardest by the recent hurricane. More from Crystal Williams.
While speaking at the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation KSAMC monthly council meeting on Tuesday, Kingston Mayor Andrew Swaby said more than 6,000 people are without power after the hurricane, according to reports from the Jamaica Public Service Company JPS. He says though they are facing major issues on accessing certain rural parts of St. Andrew, restoration efforts are ongoing as teams are working steadily towards full service.
The rural areas, Davis Bank, Gordon Town, Irish Town, Lawrence Tavern, Stony Hill, Dallas, Red Hills, Kintyre and Brandon Hill. And I know I run the risk of leaving out a few.
These communities of Kingston and St. Andrew, mentioned by Mayor Swaby, were reported to be experiencing challenges due to Hurricane Melissa, such as loss of roofs, fallen trees, landslides, and power outages. The Kingston mayor reports that nearly 1,000 residents sought shelter across 65 designated locations from areas such as Port Royal, where evacuation orders were issued.
The homeless population was cared for, and agencies work around the clock to keep people safe. As of October 31st, all shelterees have since left the facilities. Some returned to their homes and others found comfort with relatives and friends.
He says he is grateful to shelter managers and the disaster preparedness teams for taking care of citizens during and after the passage of Hurricane Melissa. Mayor Swaby also says the images of the hardest hit northwestern and southwestern parishes are heartbreaking.
In that spirit of unity and care, the KSAMC's Disaster Relief Unit has launched a coordinated relief effort to collect supplies for distribution to senior citizens and children's homes across the 6 parishes hardest hit by Hurricane Melissa.
According to Mayor Swaby, the KSAMC pledges to support national recovery efforts in every way possible. Crystal Williams reporting for CVM News.